At Sotech, scale isn't just about the size of the building, it's about scaling precision in every single detail. From our high-performance systems to our industry-leading processes and our expert team, Sotech delivers details at scale. At Sotech, every system is developed as a complete build-up, engineered as a complete system, physically tested and digitally analyzed to deliver full-scale performance. Panels, brackets, rails, insulation, cavity barriers and fixings all work as one system, and performance comes down to how they are designed and installed together. Through our advanced manufacturing process, including our fully automated production line, we achieve tight tolerances and repeatable quality, ensuring every panel is delivered exactly as specified. And behind every detail is a team working across complex, technically demanding, multi-building schemes, guiding design, solving unique problems, and managing delivery from concept to completion. With over 40 years of experience and systems built around safety, compliance, and performance, we're trusted for the details and we deliver at scale. Sotech, details at scale.